Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a set of two USB Type-C to USB Type-C cables which are capable of carrying 240 watts. Now, I don't have a 240 watt charger to test this with, but what I do have is my VoltMe 140 watt charger. So we're going to be plugging in a few devices and just checking what the power carried is, and then just give you an assessment of how the cable's made and how I think it will hold up. Now, first thing, I'm going to plug in my VoltMe charger, and then we'll just look at the packaging. This is how the INIU USB Type-C cables come from Amazon. It's a cardboard box. They shout out about 3 years warranty on this product, which is pretty good. And at the moment, these are on offer at £9.99. That's £9.99. So inside the box, you get what you'd expect. There's nothing else in there. So you get a little card about the Amazon product, little support booklets with details about the cable, the fact that it is made out of nylon material. Here you go, you've got little details about it. Made out of nylon, data transfer up to 480 megabits per second, charging speed up to 240 watts. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into the bag with the cables. Now, this is a good quality bag. This is probably reusable. Always good to see that. So nice bag. These are two 2-meter cables, and they have a pretty chunky cable tidy included. As you can see, this is USB Type-C with INIU branding on one side and USB Type-C. There is fast charge 240 watts, and there's a little LED which we'll see in action in a moment. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, undo the cable tidy, which I will keep handy for later because it's good to be able to pack it away when you're traveling. There's nothing worse than a... Oh wait, this is one side that stays in. There's nothing worse than an untidy cable when you're traveling and it gets in your bag and knots up. Anyway, this is the end with the light. We'll keep that here, and I'm going to plug the end without the light into the VoltMe 140 watt charger. Great, so here we are. That's the cable as is. Now, first device we're going to test this on is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now, as usual, once I plug in, you see the LED light comes on, and then we get an indication that this is charging rapidly. Google don't actually tell us how rapidly it is charging, but I have a tool for that. One we've already done a video of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, the chooky little reader that will read the amount of power being put through a cable in the USB Type-C connection. So let's plug the cable in with my Tukey reader, and we see that it's already up at 18 watts. Stops 10, 14, 15, 17, 18, and we see that with the Google Pixel 8 Pro it's already gone up to 27 watts. So that's pretty good for a Google Pixel 8 Pro, which only does take up to 30 watts. That's a good indicator that this cable is working well. Now, let's unplug the Google Pixel 8 Pro and try something else. This is the Infinix GT20 Pro, a gaming phone which is capable of charging up to 45 watts. Let's see how it performs with this. It may be that the proprietary Infinix system is not ideal for this. So it just says that it's charging. It's charging at 11 watts, 12 watts, but it's not really giving us the high-end charging that we would see, because this is USB Type-C it's working on the power delivery standard, whereas my understanding is that the Infinix uses a different standard. It doesn't actually say that it's fast charging. It is going up to 25, 26, 27. It's just slowly creeping up, but it's not saying that it's fast charging. 30 watts. So it's charging at 32 watts, but just says that it's standard charging, which is pretty good. 33, 34. Yeah, so fast charging works here. Now, obviously 240 watts is enough to charge most laptops, most MacBooks. So what I'm going to do is we'll try plugging in the Lenovo Chromebook Duet that sits on my desk. So we've got the light on, so that's working. The Chrome OS logo has come onto my onto this tablet. Let's see how much. Okay then, so my bad there. I dropped my Tukey display for reading out how much the Chromebook is charging using this INIU cable. Now, at the moment, it's settled at around about 20 watts charging. This is a Chromebook running a MediaTek chipset. So again, it should handle PD speeds, and the reader says that it is PD, but only around about 20 watts. So not the fastest speed. But then again, most people with most devices won't be able to carry 240 watts over one cable. So I like the fact that the INIU cable has a little light indicator to say when it is charging. See that it says charging rapidly and the light is on. That's particularly useful for understanding if you're actually using the cable. Some devices may decide not to charge for whatever reason, and having that light is quite good. Now, let's go back to the cable. So it is plastic at the top with a rubberized cable connector there. The cable is braided and nice and stiff. This is not a soft, malleable cable. It might get a bit softer with use, but I have to say at the moment it's nice and rigid, nice and strong, and as you can see, it holds its shape. In terms of value for money, it's an INIU product. So we've covered INIU on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel before. I personally really like the brand. The power bank I have from them is great. It works well when I travel. And this cable, as a 2-meter USB Type-C to Type-C cable, is going to be particularly useful for charging my MacBook and my laptop and my phone when I'm in a place where the plug isn't right next to the bed. 2 meters is enough for example, going from one side of a king-size bed to the other. So I'm quite happy about this. And the fact that you get 2 for $9.99 is a really good deal. So if you're interested in reading more about the specifications and the details from INIU, you can check out the link in the description to the Amazon listing. I'll also list to the INIU store on the Amazon website. I think that they do really good products overall, and as time goes by, I think we'll be covering more of their products on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel because they're available on Amazon, good value, they do their job, and this cable, it seems to be a really good value for money cable at that price. As usual, if you do purchase your INIU cable from Amazon using one of our links, you'll be supporting us through the affiliate link. And another way you can support us is by subscribing and liking this video. So subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks for more on consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.